In this tutorial, I will introduce you to the HIPAA Authorizer. The HIPAA Authorizer services the EDI for 278 transactions. 278 is also called an authorization and review request. Typically, this is a transaction that happens between a provider who wants to do a certain procedure and a carrier who has to decide if this procedure is within the scope of the insurance policy. If so, the carrier will issue an authorization number, and the provider has ensured that they get paid. Let's start with the installation and setup of the product. I will download the product from the HIPAA Suite website. If you need help signing in, please watch the tutorial that covers this topic. The link is at the top of this video and in the description box. After signing in, proceed with the download. There are two versions of the software, a 32-bit and a 64-bit version. Most computers today require the 64-bit version. If you have doubts, please read the information below and verify your system requirements. Now that the download of the software is complete, please extract the files, click on Setup, and the installer package starts. This asks us if we want to install the program. After you agree to the trial license, click on Next. Here we have the choice to install the program for everyone, and that's what we want to do. And I click on Next to do the installation. Click on Try. After the installation is finished, the Authorizer will launch by default. That is all for this video tutorial. Please watch the next one, which will explain how to use the HIPAA Authorizer.